This is the rain we've been praying for. Welcome to Winans Window. Little okra's coming up, man.
Oh, it's lost its little flower. Oh my word. I know, I sprayed them too. Squash is doing better. Did you see? It's putting out 2 squash right here.
We got one. Looks like maybe there's one down in here starting to. Maybe at least
Oh yeah.
3 or 4.
This pumpkin's just growing and growing. Some more nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wow, 8, 9, 10. 10 blooms right there. Pick up more. With this rain coming up, it's just going to be. This is just going to explode. I think we're just going to do awesome with our pumpkins, our watermelons. Look at all our watermelons over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 watermelons already. So that's pretty cool. So we found out that these cantaloupe, while I did put mulch underneath them, they just kind of were rotting on the vine, and we've got several that were like that big, but we're just rotting on the bottom side. So we have all these ceramic tiles that were left in the house when we moved in. We put them underneath a little cantaloupe here. There's one right here, young cantaloupe, and
look at that one.
so they don't sit on that grass and in the dirt and rot. So that's our idea. We'll see how it goes in the next couple of weeks of these guys. We can actually get some cantaloupe that's good.
Even the livestock are enjoying the wet and cooler temperatures. No sir, Indy. No sir. I think even Ralphio's happy that it's raining. It's a good morning indeed, Ralphio. A good morning indeed. Hey, we were just so excited about the rain that we had to get an update out to you. If you would like to keep up with all of our homesteading adventures, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll continue the saga with the garden. One last question. Tonight is the rodeo. Cowboy hat or no cowboy hat? We'll see you again next time on Winans Window.